2, 3.
Yeah, Finley. Yeah, Finley. Get it, Finley. Yeah, Finley. Yeah.
Are we playing game?
Yeah. Let's get the ball. Nice check. Nice check, Finley. 10 seconds, let's get a shot on net. Pound. Alright, Kevin, let's go snipe on it, alright? Go, go. Yeah! For another one.
Yeah.
What are you saying? That was awesome. Oh, bunch of squirrels. Nice check. Finley, help him. Oh, that was a nice check, buddy. Pound it out. That was awesome. Where's the ball? Hey, shot. Shoot. Oh, nice try, buddy. Good check. Nice. Good check. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Shot, 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 shot. Yeah. Let's go, Finley. Get his back, Finley. Get in here. There we go. Whoa, go, go. Yeah, go. Set it up, set it up. Nice try. A plus. A plus, Liam. Hat-trick for Finley! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. A plus. Chop and scoop. That's your ball, White. 10 seconds. Let's score quick. Go, go, go. Get it in there, White. MVP right there. You got the hat trick, huh? Hooray! 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 Yeah! So there you have it. That was the Rifles versus the Heat. Gerber League Lacrosse. No doubt. Post-game interview. Did you have fun today? Did you get sweaty? Did you almost score a goal? Did you score a goal? Nice. What was your favorite part about the game?
Passing.
Passing? Anybody you want to give a shout out to? Shout out to Philly? Yeah, shout out to Philly. You guys are cool. Alright, that's the game, folks. Rifles win again.